Sports Cabinet Secretary Hassan Wario has received the Rio scandal report given to him by a task force led by Dr. Paul Ochieng. The task force interviewed athletes, coaches and sports federation officials at various locations across the country, including Eldoret, Nairobi and Itaine. The team also visited the Kipchoge Keino Athletics Training Camp, which served as the Rio Athletics Team Camp, as well as the Nandi Bears Club, which hosted the National Rugby Sevens team. A section of senior NOC officials were charged with corruption and gross mismanagement over the Rio Olympics fiasco, prompting the Sports Cabinet Secretary to disband the National Olympics Committee of Kenya and appoint a task force to investigate it further.